What does mummy do?
Help people.
Oh, very good.
Congratulations, your contract is unconditional. This is the most exciting part. May we take a moment and celebrate the moment that is. Now, once a contract is unconditional, it means that it is legally binding upon all the parties. There are no opportunities to terminate or rescind that contract. Typically, a buyer has now paid their 10% deposit and we're locked and loaded and ready for settlement. Now, the big question is, well, what happens now? Now the contract is locked in, and now there is a number of days in which we wait for settlement to take place. Now, here are the big ticket items that we have to do together in this time. Now, the most important one is ensuring that your finance is ready. Have you signed your loan documents? Have you given instructions with respect to any shortfall funds that need to be paid? Does the bank have authority to debit that shortfall? Really important things to note. Now, I will prepare for you a schedule of settlement figures, which typically will outline how much money you will need to pay on settlement. This schedule will include things like stamp duty, Pexa fees, lodgement fees, our fees, and of course, adjustments that will be made for council rates, water rates, and any other outgoings that apply to that property. We will give you that information with satisfactory time to read it, understand it, and come back to us if you've got any questions. The next step will be lodgement of stamp duty. Now, stamp duty is the tax applied by Revenue New South Wales on every single property. And if a first home buyer exemption applies, then separate applications will be completed in order to obtain that exemption. Now, in order for settlement to take place at the scheduled date, we strongly recommend you do everything you can to make sure that your bank, the lender, is ready for settlement. And on settlement, that is when all the parties will meet electronically on a platform called Pexa, Property Exchange Australia, where we will meet at a scheduled date and time. And when I say we, I mean your solicitor, the seller's solicitor, the incoming mortgagee, the discharging mortgagee will all meet at a scheduled date and time electronically. The transfer is handed over, the notice of sale, we then lodge it with Land Registry Services, and the money starts to roll in. Once it's all dispersed, that is when settlement has effectively taken place. It occurs in real time. The moment the clock ticks, the property name transfers over to the purchaser, and the purchaser can then go and collect their keys. It's a very exciting time. Now, working through all of these steps are an essential piece of the puzzle. If you have any questions at all with respect to this process, come and speak to us. We're here to help. Now, within 3 days of settlement, we recommend that you conduct a pre-settlement inspection, ensuring that the property is in a satisfactory condition for settlement. If any problems occur, call us. Thank you.